how to get your girl to give you oral, because let's just be honest. When you have a nice blowjob, it's like the Adele song, "Go easy on me, baby." It's just an amazing feeling for you guys. How do I know? Because when you look up at their face and you see them in just that pure bliss, their eyes are closed, they're in another space, they're in another world that you typically don't see men in anymore. It's like, screw you, Elon Musk. I don't need to go to Mars. I just need my cock in her mouth. And that takes me to places I ain't never been before. So how do you get her to do this? Because some women don't like doing this, or some women feel obligated to do this. So how do you move all that bullshit out of the way so that you can get the pleasure that you really want? And here's the thing that most men miss. I'm going to tell you what that is, but by the end of this video, she's going to be so excited to do this for you, because you're going to do something different that she actually needs. And when you give her this, she's going to give you what you need. So I'm Arica Angelo. I'm wanting to get to 250,000 subscribers by the end of August. And guys, we're really far away from that happening. So I don't know. What do I do? I mean, besides asking you to hit the subscribe button, I'm asking you to share it with your friends. Other than that, I don't know what to do. Do you have any ideas? Let me know in the comment section what I should do, because it's really slow growing. Just like you don't want your penis to be slow growing when she's giving you head. We're all on the same page here. So here's the thing. I'll be super honest with you. When I find from men that their wives, their girlfriends, the person that they're with, when they're not getting oral, I start asking men questions, and what I find out is typically the guy is not taking care of his girl, meaning you're not being very sensual with her. You're not just coming up and giving her the spontaneous massages. You're not doing the playing with the hair, and you're sure as hell maybe not giving her good oral, and you're not saying things that turn her on throughout the day. I get it. We all get caught up with the semantics of life, but the reality is, if you want spice in your marriage, if you want spice in your relationship, if you want spice in your sex life, guess what you need? You gotta add the seasoning. So when you are, let's say, talking dirty to her throughout the day and you're telling her how sexy she is, what that does is it primes her up to want to do one thing, and that is very simple. She wants to please you. When a woman feels cared for by her man, it's just an innate response inside of us to want to bring you pleasure. So you have to ask yourself, am I consistently showing her that I care? And it's not about taking out the trash. It's not about the responsibilities. Although for a woman with an acts of service love language, that can help. But it's more about the touch. It's more about telling her why you appreciate her, why she's still so sexy to you. And babe, spicing that shit up with some good old-fashioned dirty talk. And you know I have my dirty talk playbook, and I give you full-on scripts of all kind of naughty shit that you can say to her to get those panties wet, get her excited, and get her wanting to salivate all over your glorious sausage. So if you want to know how to do that, get it in the comment section, get it in the description. But when you make her feel special, when you make her feel prized, you're like, oh shit, this woman is wild. Hell yeah, I want to hit that subscribe button. Do it now. When you make her feel special, women are innate nurturers. And the only time we get separated from that and we start getting cold, we start getting snarky, we just look at you as a roommate, we just expect you to do the right things and be the good guy, is because we don't feel treasured, we don't feel prized. So when you start consistently touching her, telling her what you appreciate about her as a woman, not the shit that she just does for you, although that's important, but what is it about her that pleases you? And then when you tell her how she turns you on and you bring in that dirty talk, that really escalates the game for her to want to bring pleasure to you. Now, also, you should probably be giving her really good oral as well, because listen, when we give, we want to also receive. I understand that. But it's the same thing. If you're giving her beautiful oral, she's innately gonna want to give that to you as well. When she can tell you're putting that intention there, you're licking her well, you're doing it so good, she's like, man, I want to give this back to him because I feel so good. He's made my body feel so wonderful that I want to give him that gift too. And I teach you exactly how to lick on us women so that you don't screw it up. Because let me tell you, if she tells you very quickly, I don't like that, remember what I say. It's not that she doesn't like it. She doesn't like the way you do it. But I promise, if she had a lesbian come and do it on her and did a really good job, she would love that shit. But you probably don't know what to do. And that's why I made tongue magic, so that you know exactly how to lick her below, so that she goes, I want to now lick you below. It's how it works, guys. This is how you're going to get the blowjobs out of her. But this is the most important thing that I want to share with you. And this might be the most vulnerable thing that you're gonna have to do, but do it anyways. Most men don't know how to communicate to women about what really matters to them. Instead, you might get pissed off and be like, why don't you ever do this? And so-and-so's wife does this, and you do all the wrong things. And here's the most vulnerable thing that you just need to do. You just need to keep it real with her and say, babe, listen, it makes me as a man feel so special when you go down on me. And when I can tell that you actually mean it, that makes me feel so powerful. It makes me feel like I can, and this is where you want to be smart, like talk about how it benefits her. It makes me feel like I could just make all the money in the world. It makes me want to just give us the best lifestyle. It makes me feel like Superman. It makes me want to do things more around the house. It makes me want to take you out more. Human beings, we're wired to hear how things benefit us. So throw that in there. But first and foremost, you gotta let her know how much this makes you feel good. Tell her what it does for you. Be honest, be sincere, as opposed to throwing accusations at her. Listen, if you don't know how to turn her on throughout the day, that's why I have this video for you. These are 3 texts that you're gonna send her to build up that sensuality. Come back, I have videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Come back to the woman who loves you oh so much. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Mwah.